Go! Cannot believe you dragged me all the way here. You said you're gonna help me no matter what. Okay, it's fine. I remember now. What? If you think she is innocent, then what the hell she is doing with this knife? Maybe cutting an apple? And do you put poison on your apple? I mean, why King Julian love you so much? Tell me, why he love you so much and he hates me so much? I did everything for him, but tell me why he love you so much? Don't you ever look at me like that? What? Oh, okay. Move it. I like to move it. I like to. Make sure you guys subscribe.